how to fetch data from API in your Power BI. So of course, go ahead and open up your Power BI. You can do this on your desktop version. And then once you're there, this is usually done directly in the Get Data section on the Home tab. And once you press on Get Data, what you're gonna do here is press on the search bar and search for web, like so. And then you can choose the web option. Once you do press on that and then press on connect, you will get this, which is a URL search bar or a URL bar where you can put in your URL for your API. So at this point, you're gonna have to paste your API endpoint URL and then press on OK. So if the API needs authentication, Power BI's Web Connector supports methods like Anonymous, Windows Basic, or Web API, and Organizational Account. So you can choose the one your API requires and enter the credentials or API key. And once that's done, it usually responds by opening a Power Query where you could just go ahead and take a look at the data that you have searched for. So you could expand JSON fields, you could rename columns and change the data types and shape the data before clicking close and apply. So you can load it into your report as well, since Microsoft documents the Web Connector as the standard way to load data from a web API or web-based source into Power Query. But if it is somewhat more complex, you can also use Power Query M with web content for headers or query parameters. But that is pretty much the general idea on how you can fetch data from API in your Power BI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.